In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Claude AI account. Whether you're new to the platform or just need a refresher, we'll walk through the process step by step to make it as easy as possible. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open Claude AI on your chosen device. This could be on your desktop, laptop, or even a mobile device. Make sure you have a stable internet connection for a smooth login experience. Once you have Claude AI open, you will be greeted with the login page. On this page, you'll notice two distinct options for logging in. Continue with Google and continue with email. We're going to focus on the first option, logging in using your Google account, as it's often the quickest method for most users. To begin, click on the Continue with Google button. This will redirect you to a new screen where you'll see a list of Google accounts that you've previously used on your device. If this is your first time or if you don't see your account listed, you might need to click Use Another Account and enter your Google account details. Once you select the Google account you wish to use, the system may prompt you to enter your password. This is an additional security measure to ensure that it's really you trying to access your account. If prompted, simply type in your Google password. Be sure to double check your entries for accuracy to avoid any login hassles. When you've done this correctly, you should be signed in automatically to Claude AI. It's as straightforward as that. For those of you who might encounter a prompt asking for permissions or terms and conditions, take a moment to read through these and make sure you're comfortable with what you're agreeing to. This step is crucial as it ensures a secure and informed usage of your platform. If you experience any issues during this process, such as forgetting your Google password or encountering a mismatch in your account details, don't worry. You can use Google's account recovery options to reset your password or retrieve your account information. It's always a good idea to ensure your Google account is fully updated and secure to prevent any future login problems. There you have it, a simple and effective way to access your Claude AI account using your Google credentials. By choosing this option, you save time and keep your access seamless across various devices. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you enjoyed the video or found it useful, be sure to like and subscribe for more informative content. Until next time, happy exploring with Claude AI.